Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 10th, 2022. I've already solved here three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary I've already solved. So one puzzle is left. Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, Tectonic with 4 stars, and they call it in Dutch cijferblok. Yes, cijferblok. Number 4995. Yes, 4995. 4995. Well, I think tomorrow will be number 5000. Yeah, tomorrow we have five puzzles, so the last one will be number 5000. Yes, all right. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit for 4 stars puzzle. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. But before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Well, told you earlier, the hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but I think it's a easy one. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box I see, there a single box, always a 1. Following question, can we see here the dual boxes? See here, one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this directly. Need more information. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes there. Let me see, triple boxes. Let me scan. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes I see here. Quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Only one quadra box? Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number. So that box has the same number as this box. So this box, in this case, 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, 1 or a 2. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. More T shapes. Let me see. No T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Okay. More L shapes here. Oh, wait. Let me draw this here. This box has the same number as that box. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. This case, it's a 4. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Or that shape? Yeah, let me pick this one. Oh, alright. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but 180 degrees rotated or mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? Let me scan. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And this is the last one. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And now the last shape or figure, structure, construction, whatever you name it. This figure, the last figure, I believe. Yeah, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, oh, I draw this too. This is too long. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well. Needs to be longer here. Well, let me do this. Well, my drawing is not the best. Alright, this one. Remember, if you see this kind of figure, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need, or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes or figures, structures, constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And then these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 goes in those two boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. I cannot place a 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it must be a 2 here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this duo box for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. But we see here a 2. So these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and the 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1. And the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not wise to place the 2 there. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it's not a solution to place a 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. 3, 5, and a 4. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Okay. Yeah. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. This box can be a 1, can be 3, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 2 and a 4. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So it's not a solution to place the 3 here. The 3 supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've marked these two boxes with 3 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And 1 box left in this area for the number 4. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we have a double 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1 and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box should be also 3. One box left in this area for number 5. Okay, these two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. I've marked this box with 2 or a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also a 2. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, and it's connected this box with that box should be also 3 and a 4. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. All right. Then I have a 2 here, and I've marked those two boxes with a 2 and a 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. This box can be a 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Yeah, I think this box should be a 3. Can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. I've marked these two boxes. Sorry, I've marked this box with 3 or 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 4. One box left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box should be also a 4. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 should be there. Two numbers left, the final two numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Yes, told you, cannot be a 4 stars, can be a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again, yes, tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.